So today we are going to discuss about file upload vulnerabilities. So you can get all the videos in this playlist itself, and if you have any doubt you can ping me in the Discord group. Okay. And in the last class we have discussed about OAuth authentication, and today we are going to discuss sorry. Today we are going to discuss about file upload vulnerabilities. All right. Imagine you are a teacher and you have a system where students can submit their assignments online. This system allows the students to upload the files directly. Now, let's say that you haven't properly secured the system. Okay, a file upload vulnerability occurs when a malicious user exploit this lack of security to upload the harmful file instead of the legitimate assignments. For example, a student could upload a file containing malicious code instead of the assignment. When you or other user download or open the file, it could infect your entire system with this malware. It allows the attacker to gain unauthorized access or steal data or even take control of the entire system. So, to prevent this, we need to implement the proper security measures such as validating the file types, restricting the file sizes, and ensuring that the uploaded files are stored in a secured location. Additionally, it's important to sanitize the file names and scan the uploaded files for potential threats. So, if you want to know more about the impact or different methods or type to exploit this vulnerability, you can read this articles. Okay, you can read this entire article and you can get an exact idea what is this vulnerability and how we can exploit it in different ways and all. Okay, and there are so much noise from here. I'm so sorry. And yeah, we can start our lab. Before that, let me start the burp first. Okay, this is our lab. We can access the lab. This lab contains a vulnerable image upload function. It doesn't perform any validation on the file users upload before storing them on their server's file system. To solve the lab, we have to upload a PHP web shell and use it to exfiltrate the content for 1 second, for the file slash home slash carlo slash secret, and we have to submit the secret using the button provided in the lab panel. Okay, we got a credentials also. Fine, let me open the browser. And if you want to learn Python, you can check the playlist here. Coding is very important as an ethical hacker. We have to develop some tools to build or payloads to exploit the vulnerabilities, Anna. So yeah, here you can see the complete A to Z Python tutorial. It's not only for beginners, it's beginner friendly. Okay, it covers all topic from beginner to advanced level in Python. Okay, fine. And if you're interested in software testing, that in manual and automation, you can check the other playlist also. There are so many videos here, but the views and subscribers are low. No issues. I'm not talking about that. Okay, I'm waiting for this browser to open. If, sorry, I have to access the lab. Access the lab. There is a program in the temple nearby, so that's the sound. Okay, paste it here. The proxy in the history. Let me clear everything. Clear history. Yes. Okay, so here I'm logging to this account with the credentials Veneer and the Peter. Okay, there is an option to upload the file. So let me choose the file. So I'm uploading an image, that is nimsha.jpeg. Upload. File Savadar Nimsha JPG has been uploaded. Back to my account. Here, let me maximize this. We can filter this. Just click this ash color, है ना? Just click that, and we can filter it by images or CSS file. Just apply this, and here we will get an image, right? Yeah, this one. File avatars Nimsha. That's the image that I have uploaded. Okay, so right click this, send to the repeater. Okay, now I have to create a PHP file on my machine. So let me open the Sublime Text, and here we have to write a code. Question mark PHP echo file get contents. We have to get a contents from which file? Slash home slash Carlos. Carlos slash secret. This is the file name. Right. So semicolon, question mark, and a bracket. This is a PHP script. So we have to save this as, let me save it in the desktop. So test.php. Okay. Yeah, this is the file, and I have to upload that file. Okay. So just wait. Choose file in the desktop, test.php, upload it. So the file got uploaded. They are not validating the extension also. So back to my account, the file got updated, right? So here we can change this file avatars nimsha.jpg into, we can change into test.php and send this. We got a secret code. Okay, it's the output from that Carlos page. Got it? Copy. This code says that we have to print the content from this file. Okay, that's the PHP code for that. Got it? So now we got a key, we have to submit it. We have a secret code, we have to submit it. The lab got solved. Okay. So in this case, they are not validating the extension of that file, whether it is PHP, whether it is C, or whether it is JPG. They are not validating it is. Okay. So by exploiting this vulnerability, the user can access the file or internal file or other user's file, and they can read it. Fine. Similarly, you can try this thing. For example, yes, if we have an XML file which contains a cross-site scripting code. So the title will be like this: XML file upload vulnerability leads to cross-site scripting, which leads to account takeover. Okay, there is a chain of vulnerability query. XML file upload vulnerability, it leads to cross-site scripting, it leads to account takeover. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of file upload vulnerabilities. Okay, so let me open the hacker one also. Mm, Let me check. File upload. Here is an unrestricted file upload, and yeah, it can also leads to remote code execution. Reflected access via file upload. It's private. Let me check this one. Yeah. So in this link, we can upload a file, and here the step to reproduce. Go to this link and select any type of report. Type your email, and email finds the type and text in field. Yeah, in image upload or in upload file upload section, we have to upload svg or xml file. So he attached a sample. Let me open this also. There is a pop-up. Okay, so yeah, you can use this similar xml file in other target also. You can use the same report 1816181. I hope you understood the concept of file upload vulnerability. So that's all for this video. Thank you.